ball is up, and the game is underway. Game number 1 of your NCAA Season 100 Finals. Inagawan ni Concepcion. Escamis from straight away. Nothing there. Big Bo, dito sa napan natin, we cannot judge the start of the game. Kasi kung sa una ng dalawang laban nila, as Liwag scores the opening basket here, yung simula, kung sino yung lemado ng una, hindi rin nag-prevail sa dulo eh.
Oo, kumbaga hindi na maintain yung kanilang kalamangan eh. So, hindi mo pa pwedeng sabihin na pagka-upper hand ka, lamang ka na dito sa ball game natin.
But of course, both teams will welcome a fast start. Lawrence Mangubat draining it from the corner. At alam na ni Coach Randy ang galawan at ang tamang diskarte dito sa finals. Season 97, they lost to Letran. Last year, they lost to San Beda. They're looking to take the crown in their third finals appearance as Clint Escamis scores his first 2 points in these finals.
Their last possession, actually, they just only need to hold on to the ball. Kasi nakakuha sila ng offensive rebound eh. Pero they tend to attack it. Ito yung atake kanina ni Mangubat. Ito naman yung pull-up ni Clint Escamis.
That's against one of... Anthony Inot will bring this one across. He is up against Clint Escamis. So sila rin yung magbabantayan dito.
Oo, masusubukan din yung depensa ni Clint Escamis dito sa
Anong sundot, Mapua completes the steal. Chris Hobilia got the hop. Hobilia misses another layup though. Concepcion gets it back. Escamis off the spin, runs into a wall. They kick it out. Mangubat for 3. Mangubat knocks it down. Pero iba rin yung tindig nila at kumpiyansa going into the finals.
Oo naman. Yun nga. Most of these guys are first-timers sa finals.
And speaking of first-timers,
ito pa, isa pang first-timer dito sa finals natin. Itong si Jumel Ancheta. Actually ako, on my view, very, very crucial ang lalaroin itong Mangubat tsaka itong si Ancheta. Kung paano nila itimon itong grupo nila.
Tresovilia, the mid-range jumper, not really his strength. Here's Ancheta. Ancheta has it. Mark Sanko sidesteps, flips it up and in. Mark Sanko scores and Danild cuts the lead to 3.
Kung kanina sunod-sunod ang kanilang turnover, ngayon naman, dire-diretso na.
Escamis here surveys the floor, scanning for a teammate here. He'll take this one off the dribble against Justin Sanchez. Escamis, yes, wow. Off the bench for the reigning rookie MVP, and Mapua gets a faster start. Quiet so far in the game. Turnover count natin, 5 na para dito sa Benilde Blazers. And we're only almost halfway through the first. Ito ba, pang-anim. 2-on-2 break. JC Recto, kakapasok lang. Instant production for JC Recto.
Instant offense agad. Pagpasok ng JC Recto, nagtumit ang turnover itong St. Benilde. Dire-diretso itong si Concepcion tsaka si Recto. Matik para sa kanila.
JC Recto was instrumental for Mapua last year against San Beda. And that's going to be a foul on the other side against Mapua. Tignan natin itong play na to. 2-man game on the move. JC Recto, nakapasong lang. Diba, announcing his entry in the game. That amazing play from JC Recto is definitely our McDonald's play of the game. Brought to you by the new and better McCafe Ice Coffee.
Wala nang kailangang warm-up dito kay JC Recto. Pagpasok, matik na.
Alan Liwag, kahihirapan dito. Ito mga double team na binabato sa kanya ng Mapua. Gumagana so far. Ancheta! Difficult shot is good for Ancheta.
Kung kanina nagawa ni Escamis yung one-on-one offense niya, ito naman si Ancheta. Kung kaya mo, kaya ko rin yan.
Jomel Ancheta showing us the confidence here in his first finals appearance. Ito si Abonete. Pick and roll. Oh, what a pass. Recto inside. Good unselfishness shown by the Cardinals.
Ganda. They just ran a simple ball screen between Abonete at saka itong si Escamis. Nag-show yung tao. Ito yung one-on-one kanina ni Ancheta. Maganda na yung depensa ni Mangubat pero mas maganda yung offense mo Ancheta.
Pareho yung play na yun, ha? Maganda yung bantay sa kanya.
And yung dalawang yun, nako-convert nila sa 4 and 5 position eh. Kaya kahit na si Igliani nasa labas, pwede mo pagsabayin yung dalawang yun eh. Tapos bumalik pa itong si Recto. Kaya medyo bumaba talaga.
Joel Ancheta carrying Benilde on his back here in the first. He's got 6 points so far. Grabe yung kumpiyansa dito ni Joel Ancheta. 4-point advantage for the Cardinals. Escamis stops, takes, and hits. 8 points in the first for Escamis.
Winave off niya yung yung screen eh. Hindi, akin na to. Gagawin ko ng paraan to. Ayun naman.
Escamis is ahead of the back, and he is gone. 10 first quarter points for the reigning rookie MVP.
And ito na yung pinakamalaking kalabangan at 8 points para dito sa Mapua.
Allen Liwag. Kailangan na magtrabaho ni Liwag, pero mintis yung tira niya. And Mapua runs with it again.
They're really securing the rebound. Hindi nila binibigyan.
When he's hot, he's hot. Escamis is in the zone.
Grabe. Speaking of kumpiyansa, marami siya. Itong si Clint.
Here's the pass inside. Allen Liwag.
Ayun naman.
Puts it up and in. Only the second basket, yeah.
Kanina pa nila sinusubukan niya. With Abonete, Concepcion, Hobilla, pagbalik ni Recto.
Ian Torres misses. Here's the save by Abonete. And Mangubat ends up with it. Escamis now has the basketball. Escamis pull-up jumper. Got it again! For 14 points for Clint Escamis.
Grabe. Wala ka nang masasabi dito kay Clint Escamis. Hindi maganda gising nito. Ito, sobrang ganda lang. At ito.
Perfect anticipation. Escamis all the way! And the foul! Clint Escamis is putting on a show. And he gives Mapua their largest lead here in the first. Look at this. Simple. Getting to his spot. Unbothered is the reigning rookie MVP. He is out for blood, Big Bo.
Mga 15-17 footer para dito kay Escamis. Matik eh. Yung mga ganyan.
How about Clint Escamis today? Over to Eusebio. We have about a 6-second difference between the shot and the game clock. Only for 3. And only knocks it down.
Kailangan din na St. Benilde yung ganyan. Dahil nga, if you were making a pass, eto naman, counter steal para dito sa CSP.
And Gabby Cometa finishes with the left hand. A 5-0 run for the Blazers to end the first frame.
But at the end of the day, credits pa rin daw sa kanilang super rookies such as Chris Hubilla na may bansag na bato from his supporters because he has become the rock of the Mapua Cardinals. Steady, solid at masakit kapag tinamaan. Si Clint Escamis at bato, Hubilla nga ba magiging
Akala ko it's between Eusebio and ito yung pasahan kanina ni Escamis tsaka ni Concepcion. Nakita ni ni Concepcion tsaka ni Hubilla.
Advantage when it comes to physicality here. Ganda nung pasahan. Pero naagaw ng Mapua. Chris Hubilla recovers, picks it up. Ilalabas kay Abonete. Escamis for 3. Escamis knocks it down! And the foul! A chance for 4 for Clint Escamis. What a show! 21 points, 3-pointer, and the foul with a lot of contact. No problem for Mr. Rookie MVP, and that amazing play from Clint Escamis is definitely our McDonald's play of the game, brought to you by the new and better McCafe Iced Coffee Boulder Brew and Creamier Blend McDonald's.
Posible namang hindi mag-adjust itong Benilde tsaka si Coach Charles, di ba? So
22 points now for Clint, and it is a 12-point lead for Mapua. Deep reverse for Gabby Cometa.
Kumbaga, i-contest ito ni Coach Charles, talagang offensive foul ang inatawag. You need to get a better position itong si Allen Liwag. Kasi nga, maraming nangyayari pagka, speaking of nangyayari, pag ito nag-1-1 si JC Recto, marami rin nangyayari tulad nun.
5 points already. We gotta see that play again. He switched hands.
Oo, sa ibabaw na eh.
Diba? Liwag. Binigay kay Inot. 8 to shoot for Tony.
Talagang challenge nila si Ilo tumira sa labas.
Mark Sako.
Napaganda pa yung tapik na yun.
Finishing with his offhand. So Benilde stays within striking distance. 4 points already for Mark. Here's Edward Ryan. Nakapasok lang kanina. Escamis. Ran out of options. Here's Recto. He will attack. JC stops, turns, and hits. Difficult turnaround, Jay. By JC Recto.
Speaking of kumpiyansa, experience, kay JC Recto lahat yan.
7 points already for JC. This is a clear foul on Ryan. As he was trying to prevent that Ancheta drive. Pero tignan mo yung buwelo dito ni JC Recto. Up against Sanchez. Galing sa kanan, kinaliwa pa.
Nakita niya si Alin Liwag doon eh. Pero inilipat niya. Kita mo naman yung crowd natin. Pati siya.
Kala ko si JC Recto yun eh. Look at this turnaround jumper by Recto. It's a 10-point lead for Mapua. And for the Benilde Blazers naman, 24 years naghintay looking to end the drought. Ayan. And we also give a shout out to the ME batch of 1997 of Mapua. Tony Inot scores inside. That's from Jerome Ubanya. Later on, we'll get to more. And the rebound up and over Liwag was grabbed by Concepcion. Recto. No-look pass. Risky pass. Diretso kay Liwag yun. Sanko is still on the other side, tying his shoe. Ancheta is gonna be doubled. Liwag!
Ganda nung
easiest. Look.
Yun na yung pinaka-easy na basket nito ni Alin Liwag na good find para dito kay Ancheta.
8 puntos na para kay Alin Liwag. And Benilde is slowly chipping away. Clint Escamis slowing down significantly in the latter half of the second quarter. JC Recto.
Depensa ni Tony.
Ito naman. Recto with another nice move. Ito na si Clint Escamis.
Siyempre, the usual. It will be Escamis pagdating sa dulo.
Final shot time for Mapua. Clint sidestep. The feed to Hobilia. No! 2 blocks by Aaron Liwag to end the first half.
Ganda na sana nung dish off nito ni Clint Escamis. Kaya lang
and he has been cold ever since that fast start in the first half. Sanko, yes!
Ayun naman.
And Benilde is within 1. Here come the Blazers. And let's see if they can execute here. So far, it's Benilde who has gotten the upper hand, at least in the beginning. Pero ito na ang Mapua.
wow!
Double clutch to the hoop for Clint Escamis.
Coming off a turnover. Dire-diretso itong si Mangubat. Ayan na naman.
Agaw na naman ang Mapua. Counter takeaway by Benilde. Jomel Ancheta. At yung mga napaka-underrated, yung mga deflection itong Mapua. Kasi nag-disrupt yung,
yung offense
system,
ito.
offense.
Kanina, pasa kay Liwag. Na-deflect. Eto, Inot. Wala.
Tony Inot misfires. And loose ball ends up outside. Let's check out this play. Look at this. Ingliane tapping it from behind. Lawrence Mangubat going to Clint Escamis. Sinausaw pa sa ere ni Clint. And that champ moment of the game is brought to you by Milo. Get winning energy every day with Milo. Angkale, Recto. Recto, eye to eye with Cometa. Next sa labas, Cuenco has been quiet in the game. This is the second leading scorer of the Cardinals in the season.
Hindi pa siya nakaka-score dito.
Hobilia needs to take. Hobilia drops it in. Bailout shot by Chris Hobilia.
Wala na, pabaser na talaga. Kaya ipinukol na ni Chris Hobilia yun para sa kanyang 5 points. 2 out of 10. Ito naman si Tony Inot sa corner.
Inot, open fire. It's good for Tony Inot. And he liked that one. First triple of the game for Tony.
Oo. May pangalawa pa lang yata yun.
Pangalawa ng binild.
Oo, yun din ang kailangan nilang ma-maximize.
Yeah.
Para magkaroon ng mas maluwag na operating si Aling Liwag. Kailangan nila makashoot sa labas. Turnover din sa kabila.
Stop and pop! Checo Bangkale drains the triple. And it is a steal by Recto. Mapua is taking control. JC, no! But we have a whistle. That's going to be a foul on Mark Sanko. End-to-end action. And Mapua is taking advantage of the pace that we have so far in the third. Hubilia with a bailout. Inot draining the open three. But the Cardinals
ito yung
recovery Bangkale, no? Stopping, taking, and then making the three.
Na-out of balance itong si Ancheta. Tatlo na sila doon eh. Dino-double eh. May malilibre at malilibre. Hindi pwedeng wala.
Cyrus Cuenco misses the lefty lay. Anton Eusebio got the hop, counted, and a foul for Anton Eusebio. First 2 points for Eusebio in the finals. Look at his move. Blowing by Hubilia on his way to the cup, and that amazing play from Anton Eusebio is definitely our McDonald's play of the game, brought to you by the new and better McCafe Iced Coffee Boulder Brew Creamier Blend. McDonald's. Love ko to. Kick out. Eusebio will choose to attack. Anton will miss.
Sayang, nilagay niya na yun, pero wala eh. Talagang mintis.
Half a minute remaining in the third. Clint Escanes sneaks one in.
Ito, walang mintis-mintis dito.
Mapua just with a slight touch.
Oo, konti lang. Ayan na naman.
Agaw ng Mapua Cardinals. That is the 17th turnover of Binild. And Chris Hubilia takes care of business in transition.
Kaya padating dito sa finals, mas lalong lumalim yung bench nito Mapua. Ito, pinag-uusapan lang natin. Oo.
Naririnig talaga tayo ng mga player eh. Cuenco, inside pass. Habonete scores! +1 for John Habonete. And everything is working for the Mapua Cardinals.
Lahat ng ginagawa ng Mapua nagiging maganda ang resulta para sa kanila. Diba? Challenge niya pa doon si Aling Liwag tsaka itong si Sanchez.
Yeah.
Wala nang hesitation. And wala pa si Clint Escames sa loob dyan, ha?
That's right. Sabi ni Flo kanina, it's the other guys dealing the damage for Mapua.
Yun.
Much needed fire extinguisher provided by Cometa. Jomel Ancheta. And Liwag inside. And Liwag scores +1. So Liwag now has 12 points and he gets a bonus.
Yung sobrang dalang na makakuha ng maliwanag na tira itong si Aling Liwag. Galing from high-low, galing dito kay Mark Sanko.
That amazing play from Aling Liwag is definitely our McDonald's play of the game, brought to you by the new and better McCafe Iced Coffee Boulder Brew Creamier Blend. McDonald's. Love ko to. Talking about the Blazers, they need more of that. JC Recto now has 9 to work with. Recto lost control, and here comes Jomel Ancheta. Blazers trying to get back on the comeback in. Escanes takes it away. Coast to coast action for Clint Escames.
Ganda nung anticipation niya doon sa cross pass ito ni Ancheta. Na-steal ni Escames. Ang bilis eh.
30 points for Clint Escames. And yung gift na ito ni Clint. Sanko draining the triple. Big time hit mula sa captain ng Binild. Clint Escames looking to restore order. Escames has Liwag and Cometa Inside pass. Recto from the corner. Recto knocks it down. JC Recto with 13 points off the bench.
Pabugso-bugso lang ito si JC Recto. Ito.
Allen Liwag, quick turn.
Simple ball screen on top. They were doubling the guy with the ball. Pag-roll ni Allen Liwag, libreng-libre.
But if you're Benilde, you can't trade baskets.
Hindi pwede.
With Mapua.
Hindi pwede. At this point, you need to get a stop and then make a basket.
Aboneta left with space. Aboneta drops it in. Mapua catching fire from the outside.
Kung meron kayong ball screen, meron kaming 3 points para dito sa inyo. Yan na naman ang steal.
Anticipation telegraphed by Cuenco. And he gets the layup plus the foul. First basket of the game for Cyrus Cuenco. How about, ito muna yung galaw ni Allen Liwag right at the rim. JC Recto making his move, and John Abonete, of all guys, making a big three. But Cyrus Cuenco, it's either Escamis or Cuenco.
Sila dalawa lang eh.
Yeah. Anticipating the passes. And they now establish a 13-point lead.
Actually, alive dito sa game 1 natin.
Let's see if Benilde has one final push in them. Justin Sanchez off the bump. He scores the deuce. Under 4 minutes left. Ancheta. Agaw ni Bangkale. Cross court. Cuenco atake. Cyrus sends it back out. Abonete. Abuelo. Abonete all the way. 74-61. Mapua.
First, natin ng elimination. Talagang maganda na rin.
This rookie is unfazed. Lawrence Mangubat nailing his third three of the game.
Kung as much as possible makuha niya, kukunin niya. Matagal masyado yung offense na Mapua ay na Benilde.
It ends up with Allen Liwag inside.
Masakit pa ulo mo na hindi ka makatulog.
Sai Cuenco perfect on that trip. And we're just winding down. In the fourth, Jomel Ancheta with a quick three. A little too late for Benilde. That is only their fifth triple of the game. Chris Obilia with a finishing touch. 84-73, final 5 seconds of game 1. And that's all she wrote. The Mapua Cardinals draw first blood in the NCAA Season 100 Finals. The Cardinals get it done convincingly against Benilde here in game number 1. We have a player who's being checked right there on the sideline. That's Chris Obilia, checked by the medics. And this very happy Mapua crowd standing and cheering for their team. Yeah, Obilia is all right. The rock guy is just gonna shake it off.
Papagpag lang itong batang to yan.
Here's the final score, 84-73.